got to do something for me. Here. Here. Oh, you see that? You see that, you? Well, I want you to lick it. Go on! Lick it.
And oh, my brothers, would you believe your faithful friend and long-suffering narrator pushed out his red Yazzik 1.5 miles to lick the Grasny-Vonny boots?
And again!
The horrible killing sickness had whooshed up and turned the like joy of battle into a feeling I was going to snuff it.
And again. Nice and clean.
Thank you very much. That will do very well.